Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to cancel Google One subscription from your phone. This method is for Android user. If you are using iPhone, maybe different steps to do. So let's get it on. First you have to open your phone and then open your Google Play Store here, and then make sure you are already logged on to Google Play Store with the account that already subscribed to Google One. So click that your photo profile picture, and then click this manage payment subscription. After that, you can see this is the subscription options. If you are not seeing your Google One subscription here, it's supposed to be because you are using different accounts, so you have to change your account first. And then this is the Google One subscription of me, and then I will click that one, and then see, this is the option of cancel subscription. Okay, that's it. This is very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.